There are two methods for configuring the IP address on a CM5 HMI. The first method is through the system screen. To access the system screen, press and hold the top left corner of the display for 3 seconds, then select OK. Next, select Settings, then Network. The IP addresses shown are specific to the system being tested. You will need to use your own addresses designated for your PLC and network. From this screen, you can modify the IP address and subnet mask. You can also configure the default gateway and DNS settings if needed. After entering the desired values, press Enter, then OK. Close the settings window and exit the main menu. These changes will take effect immediately. Keep in mind that if power is cycled, these network settings may revert to the values stored in the C-more project if Save Settings to Project is enabled. This brings us to the second method, configuring the IP address within the C-more project. Open the project in the C-more programming software and navigate to Setup, Panel Network. In the Panel Network window, select Ethernet port on the left side. At the top of the window, verify that Save Settings to Project is checked. If this option is not checked, the HMI will continue using the network settings configured through the system screen. Next, select Use the following IP address. Then enter the desired IP address and subnet mask. Default gateway and DNS settings can also be configured here, but we will not be using them in this example. Once all settings have been entered, select OK. Next, go to File, Save Project to save the changes. To send the updated settings to the HMI, select File, Project Transfer. In the Project Transfer window, select Transfer and download the updated project to the panel. Once the transfer is complete, the CM5 HMI will begin using the new IP address assigned in the project.